Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Many iPhone users reported that their FaceTime audio is cutting out constantly, and receiver cannot hear their voice. Sometimes they cannot hear the receiver voice. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. We start from basic. The first and basic method is restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone, go to settings, tap general, scroll down and tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off and wait for couple of minutes, then turn on your iPhone. The second basic method is enable airplane mode and disable it. For that, go to settings, enable airplane mode and lock your iPhone. After that, unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Remove the case of your iPhone. If your case is too thick, this may lead this issue. So remove the case and check if audio is working properly or not. If it's work, change the case. Now we go for solution number 4. Turn off and turn on FaceTime. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find and tap on FaceTime and turn off FaceTime. Now go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After restart, go back to settings, find and tap on FaceTime and turn on FaceTime. Solution number 5. Check content and privacy restrictions. To check that, launch settings, tap screen time, then tap content and privacy restrictions, tap allow apps, then turn on FaceTime. If already turned on, then turn off and turn on it. Solution number 6. Turn on set automatically for date and time. For that, launch settings, tap general, tap date and time and make sure set automatically is turned on. Solution number 7. Reset network settings. For that, launch settings, tap general, tap reset and tap reset network settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 8. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. To update your iPhone, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection, then tap general, tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.